it's Nicky! Welcome to Nicky Vlogs! For today's episode, we're going to Silva Hot Spring Resort! Let's go! Looking for a natural and cheap getaway? This newly discovered hot spring at Calauan, Laguna is the answer. And if you're a DIY travel like us, no problem! You can take jackliner bus from Pasay going to Alaminos Market. And from Alaminos Market, you can take tricycle going to Silva Nature Resort for 200 pesos. Once you've reached Silva Resort, you need to pay 10 pesos each for the environmental fee. The resort is still under development stage and the trail is about 15 to 20 minutes walk from the parking area going to the campsite or hot spring. Trail going down to the hot spring is still under construction and the trail has no lights for latecomers. They encourage overnight guests to come early as possible, or you can also request for a resort assistance. Bringing of outside food and drinks is also allowed in the resort, provided that you will clean your own trash. But if you're planning to bring a lot of food and drinks, make sure na may tagabuhat para Disney princess lang ang peg mo. Diba? Perfect! This hidden gem is just 2 hours away from Metro Manila. And for 100 pesos entrance fee, you can already enjoy the fresh and clear warm water. You will also get welcomed by the local community staff. So, pagpasok nyo dito, you'll be welcomed by the receptionist. What receptionist? Ano ba yun? Tapos meron sa mga stickers dito. Dahil dyan, maglalagay tayo ng stickers. Ta-da! Ito na nalagay. Ito na may dala akong stickers. Ito natin nalagay. Dito.
Yan, dyan.
Oo. Dami na din pumunta sa kanila. Dami ng stickers.
Dami na po nilaglag. Nakayuta yung ganyan. Lumipat mo.
Tada! Nicky Vlogs! Ang dami pa. Oh, may 1 by 1 pa. Oh. 1 by 1. Oh. Ito pa. Oh. Ha? Ito pa si Kuya. Oh. Torta. Nicky Vlogs! Let's go! Pasok tayo. Silva Nature Resort is a pet-friendly and they also have a spot where the kids can enjoy the 2 to 3 feet kids pool. O diba? Saan ka pa? Perfect! Kaya tara, let's go! Try natin kung mababaw at mainit nga ba talaga ang hot spring sa Silva Nature Resort. Mainit siya. Ito yung for kids. Kasi hanggang tuhod lang siya, guys. Aside sa swimming ng mga bagets, pwede ka ding lumambitin. Char! This trick is for trained professionals only, so please don't try. Umaura-aura na lang kayo, kagaya ko, para di kayo masaktan pag nahulog ka sa ibang tao. Hello? O, diba? Perfect! Let's explore the various features and amenities that make Silva Nature Resort a must-visit destination. This resort is newly discovered and still ongoing development. This newly discovered resort is located at Barangay Perez, Calauan, Laguna. Silva Hot Spring Resort also offers tent rental and tent pitching. They also have a lot of rentable cottage, tables, and even cottage with room. They offer day tour and overnight stay if you wish to enjoy the hot spring at nighttime. O diba pati pusa, nakatin, gulat yarn. For 100 pesos, you can already enjoy the fresh and clear warm water. This is a perfect place to enjoy and bond with your friends. I also recommend to visit this place during weekdays para hindi crowded yung area. The water's temperature is between 37 to 40 degrees Celsius. You may also check the details below how we get to Silva Nature Resort by Commute. And you can also check my other videos from my YouTube channel for more DIY travel. Just keep on watching this video as I show you the beautiful natural hot spring of Silva Nature Resort has to offer. This large natural hot spring in Silva Resort is between 5'4" feet to 5'6" feet. The water's temperature is between 37 to 40 degrees Celsius. The resort has a weak mobile signal, which is a perfect place to reconnect with nature. You can enjoy the hot spring natural water and take time to relax away from the busy city life. Don't skip this video as I will show you more about Silva Nature Resort that is located at Calauan, Laguna. A perfect getaway just 2 hours away from Metro Manila, and imagine yourself swimming in fresh flowing spring water with a beautiful scenery like this. With the natural spring water flowing in the area, a hot and chill vibes will surely be touching your inner hotness. O diba? Hot yarn. Perfect! From day tour to overnight stay, this resort has many accommodations to offer. They have rentable tents, tent pitching, rentable cottages, tables, and chairs that is perfect for a small group. Silva Nature Resort also have a shower room, comfort room, and a mini store that opens until 10 p.m. Aside from that, they also have a dirty kitchen. Yes, of course, hindi mawawala ang mga inihaw. O diba? Ang sarap! Ang sarap! Perfect!
Wow! Libreng sili.
We're just a simple DIY travelers that is not picky when it comes to food. And by the way, pwede kayong magpaluto ng kanin sa mini store nila. After finishing our lunch, it's about time to enjoy the hot spring at Silva Nature Resort. Para sa mga bashers dyan, yes, they discourage usage of loud devices, karaoke, and Bluetooth speakers, but during 10 p.m. onwards until dawn. Kaya don't be judgmental kasi kami lang din yung tao. Pwede naman siguro kami magpa-music, diba? Imagine yourself swimming in fresh flowing spring water with a beautiful scenery, with natural spring water flowing in the area. As you explore the premises of Silva Nature Resort, you'll be surrounded by the beauty of nature. And by the way, Silva Nature Resort has no electricity, but it has a solar-powered floodlights and power generators available. This resort will also switch off their generator at 10 p.m. So better bring your own flashlights and power bank so you can still enjoy the hot spring at nighttime. Kagaya ng mga kasama kong nag-feeling Jedi underwater. O diba? Saya yarn. The trail is about 15 to 20 minutes walk from the hot spring going to the parking area. Trail going up is still under construction, and I recommend to take your time when going home, especially if you're not used to trekking. But if you wish to make your life easy, Silva Hot Spring offers horse ride or luggage carry. So, diba?